بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, take out page number 22, Unit 2. Grammar. Masculine and feminine nouns. Masculine nouns, words used for men, boys, and male animals. For example, roaster, landlord. Feminine nouns, words used for women, girls, and female animals. For example, hen and landlady. Masculine nouns are those nouns which are used for men, boys, and male animals, and feminine nouns are those nouns which are used for women, girls, and female animals. Common gender. Many nouns are used for both males and females. For example, doctor and parents. Words which are used for both males and females are called common gender. Neuter nouns. Words for things that are neither male nor female are called neuter nouns. For example, ball, building, and forest. Students, write 5 examples of each noun in your rough notebooks. This is your homework. Write 5 examples of each noun in your rough notebooks and share with us in WhatsApp group. This is your homework. Now student, part A. Choose the correct masculine and feminine gender from the following options. Number 1. The bride was congratulated by her friend. Option A, bride. Option B, groom. Option C, male. Option D, husband. So the correct option is option B, groom. Bride means dulhan, groom means dulha. Number 2. A girl sat on the back of a mare. Option A, stallion. Option B, duck. Option C, bull. Option D, lion. The correct option is option A, stallion. Mare means goli, stallion means goda. Number 3. My sister-in-law is a great poetess. Option A, brother-in-law. Option B, mother-in-law. Option C, father-in-law. Option D, girl-in-law. So the correct option is option A, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, brother-in-law. Number 4. The headmistress welcomed the students. The correct options, the given options are principal, headmaster, leader, master. So the correct option is option B, headmaster. Headmistress, headmaster. Number 5. The waitress served the guest. Option A, hostess. Option B, host. Option C, waiter. Option D, server. So the correct option is option C, waiter. The pilot welcomed the passengers on the plane. Options are pilotess, pilotress, pilot, piloted. So the correct option is pilot. Both are same for masculine and feminine. Number 7. What is the feminine of bachelor? Options are gentlewoman, heroine, dame, spinster. So the correct option is option D, spinster. Number 8. What is the feminine of earl? Options are countess, baroness, waitress, seamstress. So the correct option is option A, countess. Earl means Nawab and countess means Begum, Nawab ki Begum. Number 9. What is the feminine of duke? Options are viceroy, duchess, princess, marchioness. So the correct option is option B, duchess. Number 10. What is the feminine of master? Options are mistress, maid, nanny, governess. The correct option is option A, mistress. Number 11. What is the feminine of fox? Options are cougar, coyote, vixen, bitch. So the correct option is option C, vixen. Students, this was today's lesson. I hope you understand. Students, your homework is write 5 examples of each noun: masculine noun, feminine nouns, common gender, and neuter nouns. This is your homework. Write 5 examples of each noun in your rough notebooks and share with us in WhatsApp group. Students, this was today's lesson. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.